Hey everybody, welcome to Go for Green Living. My name is Daniel, and today I have a special video about wicking pots. This is part of my series of feeding your family and making pots that you can grow in that don't take as much work, so you're not spending hours and hours and hours taking care of your crops every day. You have more time to go out and do other work that you need to get done. And as homesteaders, this is number one. We need to cut down as much work as possible, even if it takes more work at the beginning to get it done, because we're going to need the time in the long run to be able to expand, to do other things. So anyway, so this is wicking pots. Now I didn't learn this, I didn't come up with this myself. I actually learned this from a friend of mine in Australia. It's called Rob Bob. And it's Rob Bob Backyard Aquaponics, if you don't know his channel, which most of you probably do, but if you don't, you need to go check it out, because he knows everything about aquaponics and growing. It's just a super awesome guy, really fun to listen to. I enjoy his channel. But anyway, so this is how you make a wicking pot. Now I've done wicking pots, I've done hugelkultur pots, and the hugelkultur pots do wonderful, the wicking pots do wonderful, so there's no real, I've compared them side by side, I've grown side by side, same dirt, same everything as the same, and there was no winner or no loser that was comparable that you could tell in the difference. So I have some wicking pots that are probably getting close to 7 years old that I'm using, hugelkultur pots too. This one right here, they got a little melted by the fire. Oops. I've had it, I made it with Rob Bob and Wayne Metter, A World for Change, on a video. This is a hugelkultur pot. It's still growing good. You can see my 3 bananas. They're looking good. They're sending up their leaves. They're doing really good. They got a little bit of shock from being this sunny this time of year. It's unusual, but hey, that's okay. I'm going ahead and plant my garden as much as I can. So anyway, the red one, this is the plantain, and this is your Walmart Oronaka banana. All right, now how do we make these? Now first, I just take a piece of plastic, and it happened to be greenhouse plastic. It's 6 mil plastic, and I cut it out at the bottom so that it makes a little bowl at the bottom, something for my black tube to sit in. Black tube set, measured, and ready to go in there, then I cut a slit in the black tube so I can stick a pipe down in there, so you don't have to top water, that you can just water from the bottom and make sure the reservoir is full, you know, and your plant will be fine if the reservoir is full, because it just reaches down there and takes it. So after we get the black pipe in there and get our pipe going up, then I take and I fill in around that with sand. Now sand is just going to hold that water, and it's not going to wash out, because it'll have to wash out up over there. So it will a little bit over time, but we're talking years and years and years down the road. But after I get the sand there, then I cut out a piece of screen and I put it down there, because I don't want my organic material at the top to be mixing with the sand and the other, just the pipe and stuff. You know, I know it won't mix, but I'd rather keep all the organic matter up top and the sand down bottom, just keep it different levels. So I put the screen there, and then I add my organic material. But once you add your organic material, then you're ready to plant. And that's what I did. I was ready to plant, and I planted my 3 banana stems. And these will live in these pots until I'm able to build another greenhouse and put them in the ground and start all over again with the greenhouse and the awesomeness of the aquaponics. I'm really looking forward to it. So y'all, thank y'all for sticking with me. Thank you for your support, and I'll catch you on the next video. Ani ove ocha means I love you in Hebrew. Later, guys.